I've been at CCN for about 6 months, and my job as both the legal advocate and the canine handler is to take Penny with me to two of our magistrate courts that we advocate for our victims. What we do is we speak with the district attorneys, the police staff, and the judges at those venues, and we're able to communicate the victims' needs and their concerns about specific cases and make sure that they don't go through these situations alone. Where Penny comes into all of that is a lot of the times the victims we interact with, they are nervous about the court settings, they are brand new to this, they are very, obviously they're going through a rough situation, and having Penny there as a therapy dog, it really helps put their minds at ease, it helps them relax. If there is a hearing in a case and they have to testify, having her there really puts them at ease and it allows them to better tell their story. There's numerous health benefits to having a therapy dog. Blood pressure goes down, serotonin levels go up, relaxation increases. So those, along with other things, they really allow for a victim to better both face their abuser in court and also deal with the situations they're faced with. There have been a lot of instances where I've been with her in court, and a lot of the times they are intimate partner cases. We also deal with family cases, but a lot of them are intimate partner, which can involve children. And one case that comes to mind is when I was with Penny, and we had a family where both the one parent and two children were victims in the case, and they had to testify in front of the abuser in a small closed courtroom, and they were all nervous. It was very intimidating, but I was able to speak to them beforehand, and they took to Penny right away. They loved petting her, they loved having her there. So when the time came for them to testify, and the one child had to, Penny was able to sit by her side. She was able to kind of just pet her head while she was speaking to the judge and the district attorney. So just, seeing her in that kind of setting really opens up their ability to better tell their story and face everything they're going through. She's the only canine court advocate in Allegheny County. We're hoping to expand and also kind of open the doors for other therapy dogs in the future. So hopefully that'll be the case. My individual schedule, it keeps me busy, it keeps Penny busy when she's with me. I think any other expansion would always be very beneficial, because not only as a nonprofit, but for a victim empowerment service that we're in, our goal is to make sure that victims, their needs are heard, that they are empowered, that they can go through situations with comfort and knowing that somebody's by their side, which is where we come in. I think having a dog do all of that with us only increases all of those levels and makes the victim's experience even more tolerable, and it helps them through their entire process. So I think any other ability to spread that to more victims would be great. I think that'd be really beneficial. Right now we go to two different magistrate venues. The one is in Oakdale, PA, at the magistrate there, and the judge there is Anthony Savakis. He is very receptive of our animal-assisted therapy program. He helped get it off the ground, actually, and he has been extremely helpful in getting the program going. So we do the one magistrate there. We also travel to the magistrate court in Coraopolis, PA, which is where Judge Mary Murray sits, and she is also a very big advocate for our program. She's wonderful. So right now we are restricted to those two court venues. We're hoping to expand to some other magistrates in the future. It's amazing to see the openness and the humanity that can come back to a victim when they're interacting with Penny. These situations, they're always difficult, they're always hard, it always takes a toll, and I think through all of that it's easy for a victim to lose a sense of their humanity and happiness. And when Penny comes into the picture and they're able to get that back, whether it be just for a few minutes when they're seeing her in court and interacting with her, or whether they're coming back for an adult counseling session and they're able to do that with Penny there, I think allowing them to get that level of their humanity and their happiness back, I think it makes all the difference in the world, no matter how long it is.